Hi there, what's up? In this video, we will be comparing TradeStation and Tastyworks or Tasty Trade Now to help you figure out which platform is right for your trading style. So let's break down the features and the fees and everything you need to know. For for the user interface and experience, TradeStation it has professional interface and slightly complex for beginners. For Tastyworks, it has simple and intuitive and easy to navigate. For the fees and commissions, for TradeStation, it has competitive pricing for active traders, and for Tastyworks or Tasty Trade, it has low commission and especially for options traders. Now, for the trading tools and features, TradeStation has advanced charting, indicators, and strategy testing. For Tasty Trade, it is great for options and derivatives and solid analytics and fewer advanced tools for stocks. Now, for the account types and minimums. For TradeStation, it has multiple account types, moderate minimums, and for Tasty Trade, it has beginner-friendly minimums and flexible accounts. Now, for the customer support and resources, for TradeStation, it has strong online support and resources, and for the Tasty Trade, it has responsive support and community-driven learning. Now, for the pros and cons. For TradeStation, it is best for stock traders and strategy testing. And now, for Tasty Trade, it is best for option traders and easier to start. So overall, if you trade mainly stocks and want robust tools, then TradeStation is the better choice. However, if you're focused on options trading with simple setup, then Tastyworks or Tasty Trade is excellent choice for you. And yeah, that's basically it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.